Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making this one pan Parmesan chicken pasta. But before we get started, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also follow me on Instagram at Cars Kitchen for more food content. Okay, so let's get into the video. These are all the ingredients I am going to use for this one pot recipe, and I am actually going to be doubling this recipe, but I will link both the original recipe and the double recipe below in the description box. So of course we're going to start off by cooking our chicken, and you can season your chicken however you like. And also you want to use a nice size pan just so nothing overflows, because I kind of had that problem. So after we get our chicken all cooked, we're going to throw some butter in the same pan we cooked our chicken in and allow that to melt. And then we're going to take our trio mix and throw that and let our onions and our peppers become translucent. So once everything gets cooked down, you want to just throw everything in the pan. I used the whole box of rigatoni, and I honestly feel like that was way too much. So instead of the whole box, I will use half of the box of rigatoni. So like I said earlier, we're just going to add all of our ingredients to the pot. And you want to make sure you push down on your pasta to make sure they're all submerged in that chicken broth. So while that's simmering, we are going to be making some garlic bread from scratch. Well, not from scratch, but homemade garlic bread. I had some sub bread left over, so I want to use that so they wouldn't go bad. So I'm just going to spread some butter over that, and then I'm going to sprinkle on some garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt. almost forgot, but sprinkle on some Italian seasoning. I am using some fresh basil I had, and I'm also going in with dried Italian seasoning. And after a few minutes, this is how things are starting to look, and you just want to move it around and kind of submerge the pasta that's on top towards the bottom so they all can get cooked evenly. And I'm also adding a little bit more of chicken stock as well. And of course, don't forget to add your seasonings. And as you can see, I had to improvise a little bit because I didn't have a lid big enough for this pan. So I just placed some foil over the top of my pan just so everything can get all steamed and cooked evenly. Once your pasta is tender, you can add your fresh herbs, and I'm adding oregano and basil. You can use the dried Italian seasoning, but remember, fresh is always the best. Now you just want to add your Parmesan cheese, and I'm also going in with my 4 cheese mix as well as my mozzarella cheese. And of course, you just want to top everything off with some cheese. And I'm just gonna stick this in the oven just until the cheese melts. And once you take it out the oven, you should get something like this. And of course, I had to top it off with more cheese once again. But now you should have a 1-pan chicken Parmesan rigatoni pasta, and you can actually make this in probably 30 minutes, even less, depending on how much you're making. But yep, that is it. That is all simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, I will see you in my next video.